Hi guys, good afternoon. Leroy Rowe here again. YouTube handle is at Leroy Rowe 93. All command letters, one word. Here with another neat trick that we can use to clean up our tools in the field of IT service and tech maintenance. So today I have my soldering iron. Tip is very dirty, and since some of us are unable to find the flux that is used to clean the soldering irons to burn off all of the residue that comes from the soldering operations, we can use something like this. This is sandpaper. Almost any grade sandpaper can be used to clean it. Also, yeah, and sometimes you can have something like this available. This is a simple file. F-I-L-E. It's a file. It's a device that's used to sharpen knives, and so you can use it to cause agitation, to rub off this black that is on the surface of the of the um of the point of the soldering iron. So let us try with the sandpaper first. Have to give it a pass. So now I'm gonna try and get some footage of me cleaning it. Light balance really giving trouble. That should be better. Alright, so right here I'm rubbing the tip of the soldering iron on the sandpaper sample that I have, and it's doing a great job. It's removing all the soot from previous operations. That's the scientific term for the black. I'm going to use the file as well, just to see how the file cleans it. So the file is doing a really good job. See, the file is clearing all the soot, getting back the tip of the soldering iron in that beautiful, well-made condition. Keep coming out of camera range. And sometimes some persons just rub the tip right here. Some sharpen it to use it on finer components. But since most of my solder work is done on like sound systems, microelectronics, I don't really use the part for circuit board. So as you can see here, the soot that was there is now all basically completely gone. The soot that had built up on the tip of the device is now gone. The device is cooled. You have to make sure it is cool before you do these operations, because it might burn you, it might damage you. So it was once all black like up here, but now it is a bit better. So after I rubbed it with the sandpaper, I rubbed it with the file, and it looks great again. Alright. So for more videos like this with these simple tricks that you can use to maintain your tools so you can do a better quality of work, just feel free to subscribe to my channel, like my content, leave a few comments. Be sure to share the channel, the content of the channel, and you guys take care and have a great evening. Alright?